Good day to you, gentlemen. Thank you for stopping by. It's good to know you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and become a member of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up for me. Let's pick up where we left off. We're talking about structure in a morning routine as a part of building our freedom through discipline and structure. We were discussing crafting an effective morning routine, so I've designed a blueprint for your daily success. Establishing a well-structured morning routine is essential for developing a disciplined mindset and setting a positive tone for your day. Step 1. Determine an appropriate wake-up time. If you're jumping out of bed at the last minute, rushing to take a shower, rushing to eat, rushing, you've already defeated yourself, and this is why your day is tilted and feels out of order, because you're out of order. Been there, done that. Listen to me, brothers, and listen good. Waking up early gives you the advantage of more uninterrupted time. It equips you for a smoother transition into the day's activities. I remember growing up, there was a commercial about joining the army, and the tagline was, "They do more before 9 a.m. than most people do all day." The link is in the description box. Aim for a consistent wake-up time. Even on weekends, the disciplined structure establishes a rhythm that your body can easily adjust to again. I challenge you, gentlemen, put this regimen into practice for 14 days and watch how you'll change simply from this small step. Step 2 after waking. Consider starting your day with energizing activities that align with your personal goals. These could include light stretching or a short workout, nothing major. Do some push-ups. Can't do those. Walk the dog. Don't have a dog. Walk in place, bringing your knees as high as you can. Got bad knees. Swing your arms. Come on, guys. Do something. This will serve as a catalyst to increase blood flow and invigorate both the body and the mind. Additionally, engage in a mindful practice such as meditation, prayer, or journaling. Set aside time for reading or learning something new, as this will expand your knowledge and spark creativity. You don't have to read the whole book. Read a paragraph, read a verse, read one motivational quote. It can provide clarity and focus, providing a sense of calm and readiness for your day ahead. Always read something inspirational, instructive, and constructive. Remember, gentlemen, clean in, clean out. Finally, for today. Step 3. Another important aspect of a successful morning routine is prioritizing tasks that contribute to long-term goals. If you eat breakfast, incorporate a healthy one rich in nutrients that will fuel your body and enhance your overall productivity. If you're not a breakfast eater, that's cool. I very seldom eat breakfast, and I've been like that most of my life. The continued fast can be beneficial for your overall health. Now, if you're on some type of medication where you must eat, do that. However, be sure to drink water.
Not soda.
Not soda.
Not sugary.
Energy drinks water. If you're a coffee or tea drinker,
You still need to incorporate water
as a part of your daily diet by mid to late morning. However, be sure to eat something healthy. We'll get more in depth about nutrition in our upcoming videos. By incorporating these 3 basic elements into your morning, you not only enhance your energy levels, but also empower yourself with a sense of accomplishment. As you refine your morning routine, track your progress and make adjustments as necessary. Reflect on how certain activities affect your mood and productivity, and be open to experimenting with new methods for improvement. Eventually, you will develop a personalized routine that cultivates discipline, enhances focus, and promotes overall well-being. Remember, my brothers, consistency is the key to mastery. Check out my website, RICHBOY Entertainment 903, and take a listen to the Grooves for the Modern Man playlist. The link is in the description. Brothers, keep your head up. I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom. 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 Shalom.